Okay, I'm going to take you through an unboxing of the HOWTOOL double rope hooks. This is going to be our Satin Brass variety. So if you go ahead and look at the box, the first thing you see, got some instructions on the box. And open it up. What you'll find inside are the hooks themselves. We've got the screws, which are packaged separately so we don't hurt the finish, and some wall anchors as well. So go ahead, open the package. Okay, so like I said, here's the hooks. Hooks are here. Okay, these are the hooks. We've got 5 of them per package, so we'll lay them out here. Okay, and again, this is the satin brass finish on these. Here are your wall anchors if you need them. Obviously, if you're going into a stud, you're not going to need them. And here are the screws. Again, it's really important these are packaged separately so they're not scratching the finish of the hooks. And these are the same finish that is on the hook, so we're going to have a nice match there. And that's what you can expect.